Hi everyone, today with me I have this 12-week professional straightening at home kit. It is absolutely incredible and we tested it out on my mom, going through all the steps. You're first going to want to wash your hair using the little pouch, which is shampoo for the pre-treatment. Once you're done washing your hair, you want to dry it 100% dry. Then it's ready to put in the mask. Here's what that looks like. It's the straightening mask, and let me open it for you to see the consistency. We used most of it and we were only left with about this much. You're going to really put that on to every single strand of hair and work it into your hair, making sure not to touch the scalp. You want to make sure you're avoiding that. And then you're going to leave it on the hair for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, you're going to comb out any excess and it's ready to blow dry and straighten it. When you're done with that, I know it's a lot of steps, then you're ready to shampoo and condition. They do have the little bottles for you to use as well. And now that you're finally done with the last wash, you can go ahead and straighten your hair and watch how easy it will be to straighten. It really makes a difference. I definitely recommend checking this out on Amazon and most importantly, reading the manual through before you get started. It might be a little complicated in the beginning, but you'll get the hang of it and the results were amazing. Check it out. It's definitely super nice.